Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to walk you through how to apply an e-visa to travel to Oman. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to this channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I'm a government body. So in case you take anything out of this, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened this Oman eVisa official website. And here you have the option to apply for tourist visa, sponsored visa, and all other visa. So I select for tourist visa. Oops, sorry about that. Then you have to log in. So if you come for the very first time, click on register new user. So you have to put your email, confirm email, given name, first name, password, mobile number, date of birth, gender, nationality, text verification, and register. So I'm gonna do this and then I'm gonna see you guys. Guys, I logged in. Basically what happens, it sends a verification email that you have to verify. Okay. And then you can start then you can log in once your account is verified and begin your. So apply for a visa. So I'm going for unsponsored visa, like there's no sponsor for you. Select the nationality. Okay. So I select this. Are you a resident in GCC country? I select no. So you might be eligible for the following visa. Okay. Truck driver visa, tourist visa, 10 days. Tourist visa, 30 days. G1 national. Okay. So I'll go for this one. Registered user, if you already said, click. Are you a registered user? Click yes. Okay. So I'm gonna log in again and then I'm gonna see you guys. So I have reached the main wizard. Okay. So I'm filling sample. You do it as per your own case. Don't go by what I'm doing. Travel document number. Of course, I'm not gonna submit the application. Type expiry. Place of issue. Check your passport. Given name, family name. Gender, date of birth, country of birth, place of birth. Have you traveled to Oman? I select no, or do it as per your own case. Next, you can save and exit and come back and later fill your application too. Okay, all right. So more questions. Additional mother's name. Mother's marital status. Wow. Oh no, it's your marital status. Sorry, single. Holder of other nationality. So not mandatory. Last. Uh, Destination. Okay. Visa applying country. Okay. The country you're applying from. Canada. Your last destination. Let's say Canada again. Your email. Current residence country. Oh, I'm sorry. Canada. Email. Provide your proper email. Don't do like this. Addition. Do you have another valid passport? I select no, but if you have, definitely provide that. Next. Oh, phone number I missed. That's why it's not going anywhere. So, okay. Now, what are the things they have asked for? Mandatory passport and photo. Optional document only provided if request by ROP. So haven't been yet. Next is gonna ask you the details, then summary, and then submission. So that is how it goes, guys. But again, I'm not gonna go there. I'm not gonna pay the fee. Sorry. So that is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. And thanks for watching this. And please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.